In this video, you'll learn how to pair a device to your SplitCast account and assign a board to it. Once paired, your split flap display will be ready to show content. You'll need a SplitCast account and a device running the SplitCast app, like a Fire TV, Roku, or Fire tablet. Search for SplitCast in the Amazon Fire TV App Store or on your Roku device. First, open the SplitCast app on your device. When the app launches, you'll see an 8-character pairing code displayed on screen. This code is unique to your device and expires after 5 minutes. Keep this screen visible. You'll need the code in a moment. Now open the SplitCast dashboard on your computer or phone. Go to the Devices tab and click Pair Device in the top right. Enter the 8-character code exactly as shown on your device screen. Double-check for similar-looking characters like zeros and the letter O. Click Pair Device to continue. Your device is now paired with your account dashboard, but it's not showing anything yet. You need to assign a board. Click Settings on your device. You can now rename your device and assign a board to it. Choose something descriptive, like Lobby TV or Break Room Display. This helps you identify it later, especially if you have multiple devices. Click the Assigned Board dropdown and select which board you want to display. Click Save Changes to finish the board assignment. In the Devices tab, find your newly paired device. Once assigned, your device will immediately start showing that board's messages. You can change the assigned board anytime. Just select a different one from the dropdown. Take a look at the status indicator next to your device. If the device is online, content is displaying right now. If it's offline, the device exists, but the board isn't showing on the device. A quick fix for the most common issue. Pairing failed? The code expires after 5 minutes. If you waited too long, go back to your device, refresh the app to get a new code, and try again. Also make sure you're entering the code exactly. No extra spaces, and watch for lookalike characters. That's it. You've paired a device, named it, and assigned a board. Your split flap display is now live. In the next video, we'll cover device management, renaming, unpairing, and handling multiple displays.